Welcome to This Week in Williamsburg. I'm your host, Rebecca Suerdieck, curator of archivewilliamsburg.org. Now journey back in time with me.
This week in 1900, the circus came to town. All sorts of animals could be seen, including a sea lion, an Algerian cow only 20 inches tall, a herd of water buffalo from the island of Luzon, a family of black-maned lions, 6 Arctic polar bears, a flock of African pelicans, royal Bengal tigers, and a herd of sacred cattle from India. Onlookers also marveled at the spectacle of King Solomon and the Queen of Sheba.
Join me next time for another edition of This Week in Williamsburg, brought to you by archivewilliamsburg.org and the Williamsburg Old Time Radio Hour, your source for hometown history, online, on stage, and on the air. I'm Rebecca Suerdieck.